How to transfer money from Grab to bank account Malaysia. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Grab to bank account Malaysia. First of all, open up the Grab app. After opening the app, click on the payment icon from the bottom. Now from payments, click on activate wallet. The activation will only take a few minutes, for which simply click on let's go. Then enter your full name and click on the arrow to continue. From the Grab app home screen, tap on Finance. Tap on the Transfer feature. You will see your transferable balance as well as various transfer options. Also, you can choose to transfer the balance to your PayNow linked bank account or another GrabPay wallet, bank account, or e-wallet. Tap on the account and type the amount you wish to transfer. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.